swingful week for silver, and it has finally achieved $24 levels. I told you here at 22 that silver beyond 22 will look after $24. Now I hope you all profited. Now what to expect next week, which position we should take in order to profit, whether it has reversed from here and it is going to drop, or we can see another week of rise. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the profitable entry points and trading strategy. First, we'll look into charts, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the strategy and levels. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily targets which I share very early in the day for silver and as well as other markets and commodities. Do what that daily analysis is. Let's start. And if you look at the weekly charts, you'll find last week it has created higher highs, higher lows, and you can say this is still trying to trade bullish. Only concern for me is the candle closing in red, which might take it further. If it opens below, it can take it further down, and once it draws below this zone at 2240 certainly is a good support for silver. Below 2240 I see it at $22, which I think probably it may not try to do so. That is my expectation. But yes, if it breaks below 22, it is going to be a good drop for silver. At the same time, if you look at the chart, see this body size, a smaller body there, and now we have to look after how it opens and where it goes. Any point of time, if you see it trading above 2330 levels, beyond 2330, certainly you can expect another round of good rise. We can see it hitting 2380, 24, and then in fact it can fly till towards 2440 and 25. Remember, see, there are slabs for silver in which it is trying to trade. I will show you in the little while. Now see this, at this point of time when it was at 1820, we had expected that possibly it may try to go a little high, and the next slab was here at 2022. Now see, in these $4 it is traded for weeks and months, and this is a breakout here. Now first slab is here at 24, and now it may probably try to look at 26 sooner if it sustains about 24. That is my expectation, and complete the journey. But at the same time, another observation here is that it may get a stronger resistance at 24, because this is the highs of this downward trending channel in which silver is trading. The median of this channel, if you look at almost from 18 to 24, that is at $21, which is a pivot for this, which is the median for this. So this is another observation. Beyond 24, certainly if silver trades and sustains about 24, we can expect a stronger bullish momentum here. So this is another observation on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Now if you look at the daily chart, see higher lows, higher highs, silver trying to trade in this bullish channel. And yes, on the downside there is a further support at around $22, which is certainly be a very strong support. So only and only if silver trades below 22, you can consider this as bearish, else it can probably bounce back strongly. Now we had seen this last week on the last trading day itself. See, despite a sharp red candle and a drop in the last trading session, it has recovered nicely and closed about 2320 levels. Now 2320 is also a very good number, because beyond that certainly little more bullish momentum can be seen, and probably once it opens about 2330, certainly you can expect a little more rise. But at the same time, look at last few candles here. You can see lower highs, and hence there could be a resistance at 2360, 2380 levels, and probably achieving those also, it can show you a good thing. You need to remain cautious here. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly charts, you can clearly see that it is trying to get the resistance at the highs of this channel. Precisely what we saw on the weekly charts. It is trading with the median at 21, and the highs of this channel are done. Any point of time, if you see it trading about 24, you can expect it to hit 24.50 and $25 levels is going to be a critical level for silver, which if it breaks, certainly you can expect that the silver is going to fly high, because what it has done so far, see on the monthly chart, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, and this time if it breaks past 25, you can take it up for a very strong bullish move. Until the time it trades below 25, do not consider this as for a long term hold. When I say long term hold, it is 6 months to 1 year time frame. Now this is on the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What the indicators are suggesting, and if you look at on the daily chart, the 20 period moving average again giving it a very strong support. This is trying to trade in this bullish channel. The median here, if you look at, is almost at around 2330 levels. So yes, if it trades about 2330, little more bullish momentum can be seen. At the same time, look at the 2050 100 period moving average. These are diverging, indicating the bullish momentum here. Now it traded at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and that is why we have seen a little drop. And also if you look at the directional movement, this is bullish so far. Looking forward to converge crossover. I'll wait for it to cross over to sustain the bearish move. The stochastic, which was overbought, has seen a good drop in last couple of days. The MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross. This indicates that if this time if it crosses and diverges, it can bring you bears out there, which you can take it further down. Now if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, silver has achieved the highs here, and this probably has to cool down a bit before if it tries to rise. This is on the daily charts, but look at the highs here in the July 2021, almost plus 200 levels when the rally has sustained. Now it is trying to give a bearish cross. Let's be a little bit observant and watchful here. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts, another point here is you can see this 20 period moving average curving from here, indicating bullishness. And if it crosses over, then you can say that silver is going to break the records from the previous highs, and it is going to stay long. Right now still there is a little more room for it to decide that yes, it is broken out and it has given a good fly or good rise can be seen here in the silver's movement. Now look at the weekly chart. Directional movement divergent and bullish here, extremely bullish. It is divergent. The stochastic at the same time is overbought, and whenever we have seen silver achieving such levels, we have seen it following with a good drop, because this is the weekly charts, and hence there is a possibility for a couple of red weeks. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It appears it has seen the highs. Probability for it to converge from here exists, and the RSI is trading near to the highs there. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, now it is trading above the 20, 50, 100 months average, indicating bullishness. The directional movement has crossed over. This is divergent and bullish. The stochastic was oversold, now looking upwards. And if you look at the MACD, this is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move here. It was trading bearish so far. Now it is after long that it is looking forward to crossover. Let's see if it does. RSI is trading near a comfortable zone, neither overbought nor oversold. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and trading levels for next week. So here we go. And next week, first thing is where to buy. Yes, you can buy at 2330, but see 2340, 2360. These numbers are definitely important, and in fact beyond that 2380. So every 20 cents almost there is a little resistance, and beyond that we will see it hitting 2420, 2450, and then $25 sooner or later. But you have to be cautious here, as you can find out that there is a little resistance here on the upside at 2360, 2380. This is going to be a very strong resistance zone, and if it passes or trades above this, certainly more bullish momentum can continue. At the same time, on the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 2310, where you can expect 2290, 2280, 2260, and then 2240. Only and only if it breaks below 2240, you can consider that it is going to crash more, and then we are looking forward to 2220, $22 levels. Below that, a good crash will take it till towards 2140, $21. If not in this week, probably by next week. If it sustains below this zone at 2240, 2200, certainly you can expect that we may see very strong drop here. Right now it appears that it can try to still take a bullish move, but on the daily charts also it is little overbought, and hence you have to remain cautious. A red candle might take it till towards 22, and then a bounce back can be seen. So take your positions accordingly, stick to the levels, and just keep closing at every level. Once it achieves, close your trade in profit and re-enter if you see in the same direction, or else if you are not close, you can book 50%, continue or trail 50%, or you can also shift your stop loss to your first trading price and continue with the 100%. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.